but you're still face down. I can't get to you. I'm in the red, so head to the...
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to give you a quick view of my test bench that I've just recently pulled out of the shed. It has been many months since I forgot about this test bench, and I wanted to get it out because I wanted to start doing a few benchmarking videos as well, because it's something that I'm very passionate about. Hope you all enjoy this build process, and I know you guys will enjoy obviously watching it being filled with the liquid.
Cause we're running out now. You can see it in our eyes that we won't look away. This time we're here to stay. So we're running out now. We're fighting, we collide, crashing every day. And if you feel afraid, we won't leave you. To stand our ground and close the door to paralyze stereotype fucked up minds. Every day there's a choice where to go, and you can turn it around. You can see it in our eyes that we won't look away. This time we're here to stay, so we're running out now. Every day, and if you feel afraid, we won't leave you. There's a man sitting next to you with a scarf around his head, and when it's down to the last end, he could be the one that saves you. And there's a woman driving in the car, and she talking her phone when you're crossing the street, and she could be the one that kills you. You can see it in her eyes that we won't look away. It's time we're here to stay.
When I can't find home, 'cause the stars won't glow, you're the light that guides my way on empty roads. When my burdens show, 'cause I walk alone, you're the brightness in the dark inside my soul. 'Cause I know that I'm the name on your lips, boy. Take my pain with your kiss, boy. Here I'll stay, I'll stay. Oh, I love you, so I follow your heart like a flame in the dark. Yeah, I need you, so I never let go. You're mine to hold. I'm lost without your direction. Won't make it home till I make your own. So I follow your heart like a flame in the dark. I'll follow your I'll follow you.
You're like a gamble, I pay the price. Thought I could handle something undefined. Give me a reason to raise the stakes, 'cause I can't walk away. You keep taking the upper hand and you're leaving me exposed. I don't think I stand a chance when your feelings never show. Your love is a wild card, folding is the hard part. I don't know if you'll hold me, or leave me here feeling lonely. Your love is a wild card, can't let this go too far. I don't know if you'll hold me or break my heart, 'cause your love is a wild card. For round two, but you're still face down. I can't get to you. I'm in the red, so cut to the chase. What will it be today? You keep taking the upper hand and you're leaving me exposed. I don't think I stand a chance when your feelings